Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a fragrance that's been creating quite a buzz, the Mancera Eau de Parfum spray from their lemon line. This one comes in a 4 fluid ounce bottle and promises a fresh, fruity scent crafted with rare and luxurious ingredients sourced globally. Let's see how it actually performs beyond the fancy packaging and claims. So Mancera is a niche perfume house known for blending high-quality ingredients, and their lemon line is no exception. The scent is described as fruity, which usually means you can expect bright, zesty citrus notes up front, great for a refreshing pick-me-up. What's interesting here is how they balance that fresh lemon burst with deeper layers, often including musk or woods, though the brand keeps the full formula under wraps. In my experience, this fragrance has a vibrant opening. You get that juicy lemony punch right away, which feels invigorating but never overwhelming. As it settles, there's a subtle sweetness that softens the sharpness, giving it a well-rounded personality. I wore it during the day in warm weather, and it stayed noticeable for around 6 to 7 hours, which is solid for an eau de parfum with citrus dominance since citrus notes tend to fade quickly in many perfumes. Applying it was effortless. The spray mechanism distributes a fine mist, which helps avoid overdoing it. The bottle feels sturdy and elegant, with a sleek design that's easy to hold, so no complaints there. However, if you prefer heavier or more complex scents that last all day without reapplication, this might not fully satisfy that craving. Now, is this fragrance worth the investment? Mancera fragrances generally sit in the mid to high price range, reflecting the quality of their ingredients and the niche market they cater to. For someone who loves fresh, fruity citrus scents with a luxurious twist and decent longevity, this offers good value. But if your budget is tighter, or you want something more versatile for cooler seasons or evening wear, you might want to explore other options. Speaking of alternatives, brands like Atelier Cologne or Jo Malone offer citrus-forward perfumes at a slightly lower price point, though the ingredient sourcing and blend complexity can vary. So, if you're after that rare ingredient blend and exclusivity, Mancera justifies the price tag more convincingly. Packaging and build quality are definitely on point. The bottle feels premium, and the scent stays stable in the bottle over time, which speaks well for its longevity on your shelf. No personal experience with customer service here, but Mancera has a reputation for catering well to their clientele, which adds some peace of mind when purchasing. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To sum it all up, Mancera's Lemon Line Eau de Parfum is a bright, fresh fragrance with an upscale feel and solid performance for a citrus scent. It shines best in warm weather and daytime settings, perfect for those who appreciate luxurious, fruity perfumes with a clean, crisp character. If you're looking for an elegant, high-quality lemon scent that doesn't overpower but still leaves a pleasant impression, this one deserves your attention. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've tried Mancera Lemon Line, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I love hearing from you. The purchase link is in the description or comments for easy access. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.